Hello, in this video we'll be comparing weight difference between Apple iPhone 15 and Samsung Galaxy S23. And to do this, I'll be using our website HardReset.Info. I opened the Samsung tab on the Samsung on the right and Apple iPhone on the left. Now we need to scroll down and find the weight statistics. Here it is. And here's the Samsung. So that means iPhone weighs 171 grams and the Samsung is 168, which makes the iPhone 2 grams, actually 3 grams higher than the Samsung. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.